How to fix the TikTok video under review. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your TikTok video is stuck under review, here are the steps that you need to follow. First and foremost, make sure to wait up to 24 to 48 hours. TikTok's review process can take some time, especially if your content is flagged. So, if it remains under review, you can only proceed to next steps after 48 hours. Make sure for checking the violations. Go to your profile and the settings to check if the video violates the TikTok community guidelines. It could include the inappropriate content, copyrighted music, and such other things. If there are any potential sensitive content such as violation, the nudity, or explicit language, you might have to remove it and use a different caption, music, or filters before re uploading. However, if this does not work, you will have to move forward to contact TikTok support for the further assistance. Make sure to avoid using banned words, copyrighted music, or TikTok restricted themes in your videos. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.